I'm Cara Falco, and this is Dinner on a Dime. We're getting dinner for 4 on the table for under 20 bucks. We're making a DeFalco family classic today: sausage and peppers, 1 package of Italian sausage, sweet or spicy, your choice, 2 bell peppers, an onion, and a loaf of semolina bread. We're gonna slice up our peppers and onion. We're gonna slice around the stem, slice out the ribs, tap out any excess seeds. So I started doing this because groceries have gone insane. People's budgets are not keeping up, and I've had a lot of friends ask, how do we do this? How do we get dinner on the table for a reasonable amount of money? So started thinking about things my mom used to feed us. Slice up your onion. Veggies are prepped. We're gonna hit them with some olive oil, salt, and red pepper flakes. Mix it up, make sure everything's coated well. These go in a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. Once we get those onions and peppers going, we're gonna open up our sausage. We're gonna take a fork and pierce the casing of the sausages so that all the delicious juices run over our veggies. Lay your sausages on top of your veggies. Whole dish goes back in the oven for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, slice up your sausage, toss it with the peppers and onions, back in the oven it goes for another 10 to 15 minutes until your sausage is cooked through. Once your sausage is cooked, you're ready to serve. Serve it along with semolina bread, totally optional.